So hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how I kill the catfish. In my last video I promised I was going to show how I kill my catfish before smoking it, and today the basic thing I will be doing today is how I kill it and how I clean the catfish up and to remove the sliminess on the body. So stay tuned and let me show you how I do it. So first of all, in this bath I have 100 catfish here, and I'm going to be using this heavy thing to put on the cover when I apply the salt. Here is the salt I will be using, and here is the tray I will be using to cover it. So don't go nowhere, and as I show you how I do the process. I'm going to be pouring this salt. I don't know if I should use the back or the front of it, so let me use the back. So I'll be pouring the amount of salt I'll be using. So basically what this salt does is it penetrates directly into the skin. It penetrates directly into the skin, and it acts as I don't know, the basic ingredient that cleans and removes the sliminess all over the body of the catfish. So if I'm pouring this into it now, I would have to quickly pick up this heavy thing and place it on this tray. So I'm going to be doing that very, very fast now. So even if you are killing one or two, you can as well use this technique in killing them. So this is how I do it. So it's been 10 minutes now since it has been resting, and I'm pretty sure the salt has done its own part. So let me check if it's time for me to open it up. So this is it. They're all dead. So even if you are to kill 1, 2 or 500 of this, or 1,000, or name it, this process is very, very fast. As you can see, they are still moving, but you can clean them up now. So stay tuned and I'll show you what the salt does to the skin and how to remove it. So as you can see, this is the part of the sliminess I'm talking about. So so you would want to clean it real good to remove all this sliminess. So I'll be back shortly to show you how I clean it. Let me get the water ready. So I'm ready to clean it up right now. So this is the water I'll be dropping them into. So basically, let me show you what I mean by this sliminess. Like this now. Okay, see here, by the time we're done, this is what the salt did to the skin. It removed all this. Can you see? It removed. So you gently or carefully wipe off all this sliminess like so, and you remove it like this. Here is another one. This is it. As you can see, this place, it has, I don't know if you can see it very well, it has already cleaned, the salt has already cleaned this place, and as you can see, this color is different from this color. So what you need to do is just squeeze gently and slide it off this way, and you remain with this very clean and innocent fish. So this is what you do to the rest of the fish. You clean it. I like doing this process before pouring water into it. I like sliding it off. As you can see, this is it. So basically, this is what I do all the time before smoking my fish. So I'm going to repeat this process here. So you'll be very, very careful, because there's this bone here that can pierce your hand if you're not careful. So you gently slide it off. Slide it off, then drop it into the water. So let me show you another one. Here it is. You slide it off this way, and you clean it this way. Okay, like this one. And mind you, you don't do it this way because of this bone here. You slide it down, holding it down, then you slide it off this way. This is it. So this are just part of it. I said let me just quickly show you, because I still have a long way to go with those ones there. I'm going to take my time. So this is what we got. It's very, very clean, and you know, in fact very clean, as you can see. So the next step, if you want to see how I degut my fish before smoking it, watch my previous video. There you'll see how to degut and clean, even how to wrap your fish up before smoking it. Watch my previous video, then you see how I do it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye.